Hey guys, quick video review today, a bit of an unboxing. I've just purchased the Kickass traveloven, arrived today. We'll undo that and whack it in the car, but I've also got the KAON roof mounting brackets to mount it on the roof tray that I've got in the car. So yeah, we'll 2 for 1, we'll undo both of those, have a squeeze and we'll whack them in the car. So I've got the KAON stainless brackets. Actually really like their stuff. It's really good quality. Aussie company, the guy that makes them, and he does some really good stuff. So I did a video previously on the roof shelf that I've got. So quickly whack this out. Nothing worse than watching some idiot waffle on with crap. So they're the mounting brackets, which are pretty smick. So they'll hang from the roof bracket and hold the travel buddy oven up. They're quite a good bit of kit. I do like those. Anyway, ripping in. I don't mind the Kickass stuff too. I know it's Chinese, it's not Australian, but he seems to have got his quality control sorted, and it's quite good stuff. It's packaged well. First impressions, it's really solid. It's actually, I thought it was going to be a real flimsy unit, but it's quite solid to touch, and it's not too heavy, but it's heavy. So they're the brackets that come with the Kickass one. I'm hoping it's going to be chalk and cheese. We'll see. So this is the KAON rear shelf that I've installed, and the brackets are fairly modular in that they're designed to fit in the spacings of the rear shelf for mounting. So they come with 2 attachments like that, and they just go together on the rear shelf. So the Kickass traveloven will sit up there like that, hopefully. Another reason why I love the Kickass gear, they come pre-wired with the Anderson plugs. I'm running a lithium battery in a battery box here. I didn't want to permanently mount it. I wanted to make it removable. And the beauty of this is there's 4 Anderson plug sockets on the side of that. So the traveloven will just plug into the side of that and be powered up from that, which is great. I might do another video and just run through the battery itself and what setup I've got with the DC charger, but that's for another day. One thing I have just noticed with the brackets is they are pretty well perfectly balanced. So that's just pivoting on one point there, and they hold the oven beautifully. So yeah, really good combo, really happy with it. Okay, so after a bit of a test fit, I've worked out that that's where I want it. So we're just gonna put one bracket on really loosely. So you've still got a bit of wiggle room. Sit the Kickass oven in place. And then you can bring the other bracket into play then. nip everything up. OCD right and make sure everything's square. Alrighty, so there's your finished product. She's up there. There's the brackets holding it on. I like it because it's nice and close over towards this edge, so it's got full support off this bracket here, so there's no movement whatsoever. Again, I'm really quite surprised there's no rattles or shakes. I'll take it for a drive and confirm that, but it's as solid as a rock. Can't complain about the build quality. Now, Anderson plug into Anderson plug socket. Turn the battery on. She's chockers 13.4. Temperature's on hot. And red light comes on, winning. So I'll give that a quick preheat and just check it out, and we might whack something in it and see how it goes. Again, really surprised on the quality. Yes, it's Chinese, but it's not really garbage. Just on the battery side of things, while this oven's preheating, I may as well run through it now. I've got all the iTech World gear, bit of an iTech World fanboy. That's a hardcore battery box. Like I said, I did like it because it's got the Anderson plug connections on the side. But I've got the 120 amp iTech World lithium inside that, and the 40 amp iTech World DC-DC charger. Again, the beauty of all these is they're all pre-wired Anderson plug. So I literally just ran cable through to my start battery of the car, fused of course, and then directly to the DC-DC charger, and that runs into the battery box. I've got a little iTech World 400 watt inverter there, purely just for, I'm a photographer by trade, so you know, if I do need to charge a laptop or a battery or something on the road, I can. It's not running cooktops or anything like that, so 400 watts is plenty just to charge a laptop or something. So that's that setup anyway. Stoked with the lithium. It's as light as a feather. My battery went flat in my boat the other day, so I literally just undid the strap, pulled the battery out and chucked it in my boat. I'm actually thinking about going lithium in my boat because the AGMs in the front of that are just so heavy, it's not funny. Anyway, let this heat up. Might get a couple of party pies or something and chuck it in and have a go. You're not going to believe it. I just went to the fridge to get a couple of party pies. Duck egg, nothing, zero. I have to talk to the purchasing officer. So it's a couple of fish fillets. I am actually waiting. There should have been a tray that came with it. So I'm waiting for that to arrive. I don't know why they send things in different parcels. Anyway, we'll chuck those in and see what happens.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, that's been half an hour. I did open it before just to have a little sneaky look. And they are beautiful. They are bloody hot. So I reckon that is a success. So there you go, that'll wrap that up. That's the Kickass travel oven and the KAON stainless steel brackets. It's a bit of a match made in heaven. Cheers guys.